Hey everybody, some quick tips on degreasing and then some quick tips on beaver. I'm going to start with the degreasing tips. So if you're having a skull that's fighting you to degrease, this beaver's only been degreasing for a week now, so I don't expect it to be done or anything. But one thing that helps drastically is as the teeth start to loosen, pull them out. That will allow way more liquid to get in there to degrease. It'll help remove blood. An air compressor or a compressed air can of air is your friend. If you take compressed air and then blow into all of the little holes in skulls, like that right there, there's another one back here. If you pick up the skull itself, there's small holes everywhere in these things. If you put compressed air into them, it will help push the grease out drastically. As far as tips for beaver, this is why I mentioned this while I had him here. Here's its teeth. The smaller ones are its front top two teeth. The bottom ones are the bottom two that go in the jaw. These things are massive. Beavers are just like hog's tusks. They are hollow. So once these have been macerated or cleaned, the back 2/3 of this tooth is hollow. This tooth is going to crack. It is that simple, just like a hog's tusk. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. So when you're done cleaning these, you want to fill them with Elmer's glue, epoxy, caulk, any kind of substance you can fill them with that is sticky and will harden. It's going to help in two ways. One, it'll probably slow the cracking process down. But the big thing it will do is it will keep pieces from falling off when they crack. If you notice a crack start, take some super glue, glue the crack, you'll be good. If you notice these beaver teeth are black, that's from the maceration process. Now that it's in degreasing, they'll orange back up. The black will go away and it'll turn orange by the time we're done with it. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Just a few degreasing tips and a little trick about beaver.